Hi, I'm Jim, part of the product team here at Blindster.com. I'd like to show you our exclusive No Tools, Cordless, light filtering single cellular shades. Our No Tools shades feature the easiest installation possible, and as the name implies, you won't need any tools. Let me show you how our No Tools feature makes hanging shades a snap. So there are two versions of this shade on our website with the same features, but with different installation methods. The standard version has brackets that are installed by pre-drilling holes in your window casing and then attaching the brackets with screws. With the No Tools version, you'll instead use these proprietary peel and stick brackets that don't require any screws or any drilling. The brackets feature an extra strong adhesive to create a secure and permanent installation with 3 easy steps. Just peel, press, and then clip the shade into the brackets. It's a no fuss, no worry way to install your custom shades. This shade features a light filtering fabric. What that means is that the fabric will let some diffuse light through the shade, but it still provides full privacy when the shade is down. At night, vague shadows of objects that are inside the home may be visible from outside, but only if they are very close to the window. Also, darker colored fabrics will block slightly more outside light than lighter colors. Note that the fabric color on these shades is the same on both sides. These shades feature a cordless lift system, which means that instead of the traditional pull cords, this shade is raised and lowered just by pulling up or pulling down on the handle. Mechanisms inside the PVC headrail hold the shade in place. With no dangling cords, these shades are child-safe and easy to operate. The cord-free design also provides an uncluttered look in the window. The last key feature of these shades is their insulating fabric design. The shade material is formed into honeycomb-shaped cells that trap air and form a buffer against outside air temperature. This helps maintain your inside air temperature throughout the year and lower your heating and cooling bills. That sums it up for our No Tools, cordless, light filtering single cellular shades. We're here to help if you have any questions or need help ordering the perfect shade for your window.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.